room tour. Right. LG Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer. Yahoo power supply, Yahoo soldering station, stuff in front of it. There you go. Tools, mainly from the Weir advent calendars. Overhead camera bracket, power supply, soldering stuff. Lots of Raspberry Pi stuff there. KVM, more USB ports, a speaker. That's my PC. There we go. Books, CDs, a Z80 computer, as you do. Shelf behind me, which is stuff that I've bought, made, have good memories of. Commodore 64 reproduction motherboard there. A PIC controller, or USB experiment, that's PIC controller, that one. Electronics book, Spectrum software, Vegas Jackpot, which was it's getting shotless. That was a game my mum loved on the Commodore 16. That's got a Raspberry Pi 02W inside it. That's got nothing inside it. That's a Commodore 64 joystick that I made, and it's got a little socket on the back. Big arcade cabinet, also a drone that you can control using Python and Bluetooth. Stuff that I've been sent for review on Tom's Hardware, some of it. Arduino stuff, Pi-in-Man 5 case, Raspberry Pi 5 case, all the Raspberry Pi 5s I've got for review. Psion 3A that I picked up because I wanted to play around with it. Touch Display 2, DF Robot, that's for the Latte Panda stuff, that's the N100 board. Just behind it is a huge cooler for the Pi 5, water cooling. A neon flash sign, which I'm going to do something with. 3D printed floppy disk. Latte Panda Sigma. Underneath we have power supply for stuff, soldering iron, compute module 5 dev kit, argon equipment for cooling the Pi and also cases. Some argon Neo 5 case, a filament dryer. Getting shot, there you go. Filament dryer. And 3D printer filament, various colours. And yeah, we have some stuff on the walls. There's my Aliens collection, done by Tokyo Sex Whale. Some pin badges, lots of Star Trek. That one is from 1993, a DS9 one. But when I got the VHS collection of, VHS first edition of Emissary, there you go. I'm a Raspberry Pi certified educator. In fact, I educated the educators. I was part of the Guild of Makers, and I used to work for E-Corp, apparently. And I'm also a bounty hunter and a cacodemon. And also Hack the Planet, Greg's. Behind me we have some Star Trek comics that I got from a shop years ago. 3D printed some com badges, stuck them on for each series. Over here we have a vacuum cleaner that needs charging, my Brother laser printer, Pi-K Max, cleaning stuff, the IKEA thing that I'm going to hack again when I get some time, and in a white box is a Sinclair. Yes, this is a real Sinclair. Sinclair ZX Spectrum issue 2 if memory serves, and I've hacked it to do USB power. And there's also a composite mod as well. Down there is stuff I need to review, down there is stuff I need to review, and we are back to the desk itself. Anyway, cheers.